When our nation is incredibly divided, there is something the vast majority can agree on. A recent poll finds 9 out of 10 adults believe there is, in fact, a mental health crisis in the U.S. Today is World Mental Health Day, and experts say it's time to erase the stigma of seeking help and make that help more accessible.
I think we've made some progress, but a lot of work remains to be done.
One positive is the increase in awareness, says Dr. Simran Chawa, an outpatient psychiatrist at Henry Ford Health.
More awareness of mental health on social media, more kind of celebrities being vocal about the mental health experiences that they've gone through. And people are generally more comfortable talking about it in the public discourse.
There's also more recognition. Mental health is as important as physical health.
That attitude in the past of just tough through it, you'll get through it, you're a strong person. A lot of that we're starting to see is an outdated mindset, right? So we don't tell people to tough it through diabetes or tough through a broken arm.
The CDC says 1 in 5 Americans will experience a mental illness in a given year, but access to care remains a serious problem.
The access isn't where it needs to be. I mean, there's months-long waits for seeing a psychiatrist, and if somebody is in an acute kind of emergency, it's very difficult to kind of have that access to care that we need.
Dr. Chawa recommends checking with your insurance because coverage is improving, but says cost is still a major barrier for many. Still, it's critical to seek help.
If the relationship between the therapist and the patient is very good and open, it can make a dramatic difference. In some cases, the difference between life and death.
Experts do recommend talking to your primary care doctor if you're having any mental health concerns at all. There's also a national suicide and crisis hotline. It's available 24/7. You can call or text 988. A Detroit family desperate for closure.
New tonight, what happened today that could help solve a murder case that's gone cold.
Plus, it happened without warning. A massive volcanic eruption causes more trouble than just